A message from Archangels Uriel and Gracia. A new era of prosperity is dawning for all of humanity. For too long, the people of Earth have lived under mental and physical limitations, but now a profound shift is occurring. A new prosperity system is being activated within the very consciousness of the planet. This is not a rigid or final structure. It is a living, supportive energy designed to awaken the inherent prosperity within every being. We have radiated this energy forth, focusing it for all of humanity, without distinction or bias. The universe itself flows with infinite abundance. This planet was created in abundance. The only barrier to experiencing it is a belief in lack, a feeling of being undeserving. This ends now. The foundations have been laid. The planetary systems are activated. Resources are available. From this moment, abundance will begin to flow, empowering humanity to become the architects of their own prosperity. We are opening the paths. We are activating the mechanisms. It is time to claim your birthright as worthy children of the divine. When the new earth is fully established, you will be supported completely. In this transition, you are supported powerfully. You are the fireworks illuminated from within, creating a new world of joy and abundance. We are Archangel Uriel and the Archangeline Gracia, joined by the entire Ruby Gold team, Lady Nada, Lord Ganesha, Satya Sai Baba, and all beings of light. We are the Ruby Gold team, and we advocate for the prosperity of humanity. We now take our leave. I am Uriel,